What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing a wash and go, and I actually was going to try to use some products I hadn't used before, but recently I had one of you in my comments asking me how I felt about the Curl Origin Maracuja Rich Hair Moisture Milk that I've been talking about, that I use to moisturize my hair, and I really like it. I think this is just as good as the Curl Love. So she wanted to know how I thought it would work with the Kurl-Tini, because I had used the Curl Origin leave-in with the Kurl-Tini before, but she wanted to know what I thought about this. And I told her I thought that it would work well because the leave-in worked well and this is moisturizing, so I thought it would work well together. And the Kurl-Tini doesn't normally flake, at least it hadn't really for me. I think I got a little like dusting one time, but it was so minute that I wasn't even sure if I was seeing what I was seeing. You know how sometimes you feel like you see something, but then you look and then you try it again and you don't see anything. So it was kind of like that. So with that being said, I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and use these two together and see. So that's what we're going to do, and it will give me opportunity to use this up because I only had a very little bit of this in here, so I thought that I would use it up. Well, I didn't, because it is so it has so much slip and it's thin enough that it just spreads out and it just glides through the hair. So I don't feel like I have to use a lot of it to get a moisturized feeling to my sorry about that. So I you know, it spreads out so easily that I don't feel like I need a lot of it for your hair to feel moisturized. Hopefully that's where I left off. So anyway, I applied it in the shower like I always do my leave-ins. It smells so good, and yeah, my hair feels good too. So we're just gonna go ahead and go in with the Kurl-Tini, and we're gonna see how this looks. And I need to use this Kurl-Tini up too, because I think I have to use it up within my 9 months of opening it, and I don't remember when I opened it, but I do know that it has a different color than it did in the past. I mean, it's still blue, but this one is a lot darker. The one I had before was a lot lighter, so I don't know if that has to do with just the fact that it's kind of natural ingredients and the colors change a little bit, or if this is going bad. But anyway, I got about half a jar in here, so hopefully I will use most of it, if not all of it, up today, and I can go ahead and get it off my shelf. So I put a little bit on my fingers, and I'm going to go ahead and just work it in, get a little bit more. It's one of the, well, let me show you for the guys who haven't seen me use this before. Sometimes I get on here, guys, I know, I'm sorry, I get on here and I talk to you like you know me, I know you, you've seen my videos and everything, but I forget that I do get new subscribers who may not have ever seen or heard of this product. So this is the Kurl-Tini Styler by Mane Krush. If you haven't heard of Mane Krush, they are a Black-owned brand, and the Kurl-Tini is very much like a, see that, very much like a, I don't know, taffy or gooey like consistency, and it's blue in color. So it gives a soft hold, but it does, you know, define the curls. I like the way it plumps my hair, but you're not going to get a crunch like you do with some other stylers, but it definitely will give you some definition. So guys, did y'all hear that? My dryer just came off. For no reason. Anyway, I don't think I had the helmet. The helmet slid down, I think. Okay, so just applying it to the hair. And like I said, my hair feels so good. I do feel like my ends need to be trimmed. So what I am going to do is I'm going to take just a little bit more of that leave-in and just put it on the ends, and I hope it don't cause it to flake, but I'm gonna put it on the ends just because I want to, because they need to be trimmed. I want to moisturize them as much as possible to keep me from getting any extra split ends or single strand knots or whatever. Now I'm going in with the Kurl-Tini, and then I'm applying it to my roots. And then I'm just going to take it down my hair. Again, paying attention to the ends because it is a softer hold, so I want to make sure that I get my ends coated. Okay. So that is pretty much what I'm doing, and I'm gonna do it all around my hair so you guys can just watch.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Ay, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore.
Okay guys, so I am done applying the product, and this is what my hair is looking like. So the hair is done. I will try to zoom in so you guys can see it a little bit better. Let me turn around for y'all too. I always forget to show y'all the back. So hopefully you guys can see that. I don't even know what the back looks like, so hopefully it looks fine. But I did use up almost all of this. I mean, it's just a little bit scraping the bottom of the jar. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in my empties. There's nothing I'm going to be able to do with that little bit. So that'll be in my next empties. But let me get under the dryer, dry this, and I will be back to show you the results. So stay tuned. Anyway, I'm back and my hair is dry. And this is what it's looking like. So you can see that's a little bit fuller and not crunchy, has movement. There is a small cast, but it's not a crunchy hold. Let you see the back. Okay, so it has not been stretched or anything. I'm just straight from under the dryer. So I am actually, it's late in the day, so I'm probably not going to stretch it today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it back, put my scarf on, put a bonnet on top of it for the evening, and then I'll come back tomorrow, clothed, made up and everything, with my hair stretched, and we'll talk about the products, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I am back and this is my hair. So I do want to let you know that like I said, I didn't stretch it day one. I just put it in my lock sock and slept with it like that. And then the next day, I ended up not going anywhere that day, so I didn't take it out of the lock sock. I just left it in the lock sock. So technically, today is the first day out where I'm getting out and about. Okay, the first day I did it, it was out. It just wasn't stretched. It wasn't out yesterday. It's out today. So I did stretch it today. So this is how it looks. And it's big, it's fluffy, and you guys know I like big hair, so I'm not mad at it. And it doesn't feel tangled in the roots. It just feels big and fluffy. It has a lot of movement and it just looks healthy. Again, not overly shiny, but it definitely looks healthy and it feels good. I haven't added any more moisture to it. So technically this would be day 3 of the wash and go, whether it was out or not, and I have not had to re-moisturize it. But what I did use, you guys know, is the Curl Origin Maracuja Rich Moisture Hair Milk, which looks like this, and the Mane Krush Kurl-Tini styler that looks like that. So these two items are what is in my hair, giving me this wash and go. Nice big fluffy wash and go, the way that I like it. So yeah, just wanted to see how the Kurl-Tini will work under this. I like it. It works well. For those of you who wanted to know, as well as the Curl Origin Curl Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner from the Moisture Rich line, this works well under it too. So if you're looking for 2 leave-ins to work with the Kurl-Tini, those two do, and I don't have any flaking that I noticed or anything. I don't have on a black shirt, but I don't see any flaking. I don't see any dusting or anything like that. I don't know what the back of my hair looks like, but I'm gonna turn around and let you guys see it. So that is my hair. I like it, guys. I've said it before. I like the Kurl-Tini from the first time I used it. I liked it. I like the clumps that it gives my hair. I like the fluffiness. I like the softness. The fact that it doesn't have any crunch to it. And yeah. It keeps, if you can see, I definitely got some good coils and definition. If you or someone who wants definition without the crunch, I would say give this a try. If you're someone who really wants a hard crunch and you want your hair to last a good 7 days, you may not care for this. I think that if I wanted to, I could get 7 days out of this wash and go, or a good 5-6 days out of it for sure. But of course, I know that my hair is going to get softer and it's going to get bigger. I don't mind that. If you don't like big hair, if you prefer, you know, more structured hair that hangs longer, so you like length over volume, then again, this may not be for you. But guys, I like it, and I'm out of it. I don't have any more, and I'm, you know, Black Friday's gonna be coming up pretty soon. I'm trying to still get rid of a whole lot of stuff, so I probably won't be purchasing this anytime soon, especially not before Black Friday. So but I like it. If you're wondering about it, I'd say pick it up, give it a try. It is worth a try, in my opinion. And then if you decide, yeah, it's not for you, then it's just not for you. But I think you'll be pleasantly surprised by the definition and the hold that you get with this. So yeah, guys, that's it. Let me know what you think about this wash and go. Let me know if you've used these products together or separately and what you feel about them. Leave all that in the comment section below. And sorry about my voice. It is morning. Early morning actually. So still got my wake up voice on, haven't had my coffee yet. But anyway, let me know all that in the comment section below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload from me. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.